If you're bored of regular jollof rice, then this jambalaya rice is the best for you. It's simple and straight to the point. We'll be using chicken breast for this, and we're gonna dice it into smaller bits, as you can see. Add spice of your choice and make sure you mix evenly, and then set aside for about 10 minutes. We're also gonna make use of some prawns. I'm gonna spice these and set aside also. Then we got some hot dogs. I'm gonna cut this into smaller pieces and dice and set aside. Now for our veggies, I'm gonna be using some bell peppers. That's the way I cut my bell pepper. I try to take out everything, as you can see in this video, and then I cut them into smaller pieces, not so small and at the same time not so big. I love using the 3 colors of bell pepper just to give it this cute color. You can cut yours any size you prefer. I mean, it's your food, except you're cooking for public. Next, we'll go with our proteins. We'll fry them, and we'll start with the shrimp. Fry the shrimp, but don't let it get too dry. You want your shrimp to be just like this. You don't want a rubbery shrimp. Then you fry the hot dog. You don't want this to be too dry also. Remember, they're going into your rice, so yours should be just perfect like this. And then we go to the chicken breast. You should fry them, not letting them get too dry and not letting them get too soft at the same time. Now we'll go into making the rice. We're gonna saute some onion, add some tomato paste and some red pepper mixtures with some scotch bonnet pepper. Let this sit for a while, and then you can add your beef stock if you have one. If you don't have, just add water and spice it up. So because I use beef stock, I'll be very minimal on my ingredients. Add ingredients of choice and just let it boil. Then add your washed rice, mix together and cover this. And there you go, the rice is ready. I'm just gonna mix this evenly, and then I will add my protein, starting with the shrimp and then the chicken and then the hot dog. I also use some onion leaf here, which I'm gonna add spring onion, and then my bell pepper, and I will mix gently until they're all evenly distributed, and I'll let it sit to get hot. And just like that, your jambalaya rice is ready. This is very tasty and easy to make. I would love you to tell me how you make yours, because everyone might have different method, but this is a method I love and it's so tasty and straight to the point. If you've watched this video up to this extent, I'm sure you love my video. I would appreciate if you would hit the follow button and maybe drop a comment. Thank you so much for supporting my channel so far, and till we meet again, stay inspired. See you soon. Bye.